AlphaStar's additive manufacturing simulation solution, Genoa 3DP, combines multi-scale progressive failure analysis with material characterization to simulate the as-built 3D print process for polymers, metals, and ceramics. Genoa 3DP's user-friendliness and robust capabilities allow users to virtually qualify each step of the AM process, from material characterization to process simulation to build optimization, and finally to service loading of critical and non-critical parts. Integrated with commercial FEA solvers, users can utilize key features of Genoa 3DP, such as path coverage, which identifies any potential problems that may arise by virtually assessing printer path and visualizing problematic bald spots of a printed part. And TMG, thermal management, which quickly and accurately predicts thermal history, material states, dynamic evolution of melt pool and heat-affected zones, all while identifying stable and unstable zones during the print process. By using Genoa 3DP, users can accurately predict manufacturing anomalies such as voids, residual stress, crack growth, assess material and process parameter sensitivities, visualize problematic bald spots of printed parts, quickly predict thermal history, and identify stable and unstable zones of print. With the use of Genoa 3DP, users are able to print it right the first time.